Good manners. Hello everyone. Here is the list of good manners for you all. So let's get started. Good manners teach us how to behave with others. They are inbuilt habits in humans. It is the base of relation we maintain in the outer world. Like say good night before sleeping. Say sorry if you do something wrong. Say thank you if someone gives you something. Say good morning to your parents when you wake up in the morning. Say please when you request for something. May I help you? Say may I help you when someone needs help. Respect your teachers. Always respect your teachers because they teach you a lot of things and make you a good human being. Excuse me. Say excuse me to apologize when you have done something slightly embarrassing like sneezing or burping. May I come in? Say may I come in when you are seeking permission to enter a place. Good habits. Hello everyone. Here is the list of good habits for you all. So let's get started. Good habits means the habits that help a person in various aspects of his or her life, like wake up early in the morning, have a bath daily, brush your teeth twice a day, do exercise daily to keep yourselves fit, go for a morning walk, eat healthy food, cut your nails once in a week, watch TV from far. Go to sleep early at night. Comb your hair.